Hey, it's W5HR. I have a quick update on this FT-101B series project. I did find a couple of the old original SP-101 speakers. There were some guys on eBay selling these things, and I got both of them for $25 each. They were a little bit more with the shipping and everything, but that's not bad. And I think this is the one that I'm going to use. It's missing the original feet. Somebody put the little stickum jobs on it. But that's why I bought both of them. And I think I've determined that this right here is just some stickum stuff. It looks like somebody stuck a glass or a can, because when I got down close to it, it doesn't look like it's the metal that's chipped, the paint that's chipped. It's like, oh, I can feel it's on top, so that'll probably clean off of there. So I'm gonna, go in a big sink with hot water and a rag and soap and get all that crud off there inside and out. Even the thing on the outside, I'm going to take it all apart and polish it up with some car wax after it. It may look like new again when I get done. But then I got this other one over here that for the same price. This one's, I just noticed it's got a little indentation in it, but guess what? It has the original feet, and that's the way they were. You had the two gray feet on the back and the two black feet on the front. So I have, spare parts, and I have the feet to fix this other one. So this will probably be the one that I use. So that's cool. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you that and show you that I got the original SP-101 speaker. At least I found two. I'm going to, like I always say, I'm going to rob Peter and Paul to build Mary. Which is what I'm doing. So I'm going to take probably just to feed off that one after I clean this one up, and because this one's in cleaner condition internally than that one is. That one's older. So anyway, that's all for now with the update on the the SP-101 speaker, the original speaker for the Yaesu. Now don't get these confused with the modern ones. Did I mention that yet? I'm trying to remember. My short-term memory's been gone lately. You know what happens when you get old. But the new modern ones, they call the same speaker the SP-101. They reuse, for whatever reason, they reuse the model number. And Yaesu makes a black speaker for Yaesu, and it's called the SP-101 now, but it's not this old original SP-101 for the FT models, these bigger old gray ones, whatever that color is, this greenish gray Yaesu color, So anyway, so that's all for now. I just wanted to mention that. 73s.